Alright, back with you once again, and I'm going to show you some drawings that I have done. Now the first set of drawings, I'll show you some of these floor plans right over here. You can see here, see the square here, see the sofas, two sofas, chairs, and a kitchen set here, and a door, windows here. It's a dining room set, and it's the same, a little bit the same here, but this is a bedroom, a hotel guest room. See here the computer bed here. So this is the first floor, these first floor plans I've done. Second one I'm going to show you is this one right over here. Floor plan. See here, kitchen. See the breakfast chair and settings, sink. Living room here, dining room, and then you have another living room here. So this is the second drawing I've done, floor plan I've done. And it's totally different from this one over here. Finally, I'm going to show you this one, which I haven't really shaded in. You can see here, TV here. Now I was going to make it smaller, get the bedrooms, but I didn't get time to do that. So I decided to do it this way. So, those are my sketches for today. Show you more in a future video.